Pinkfong Super Rescue Team!
I've got a Boo-Boo! Pinkfong!
Forrest! To the rescue!
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help my Boo-Boo? Yes, yes, yes.
What happened?
I was playing with my robot and I plugged it in the outlet. Ouch!
Huh?
I got a Boo-Boo on my hand.
Oh, putting something in outlets is dangerous. Don't ever play with them.
Okay, I will remember.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch, can you help my Boo-Boo?
Yes, yes, yes. What happened?
I pulled out the power cord and it sparked. Ah! Huh? Ouch! I got a Boo-Boo on my knee.
Oh, pulling on the wire is dangerous. Hold the plug, not the wire.
Okay, I will remember.
Is everyone okay now? Yes! There are a few things you should know about electrical outlets. Electricity is always running through an outlet, so you have to be careful. That's why you should never stick anything inside it. When you unplug something, pull it out by holding the plug, not the cord. If you pull the cord, the wire can come loose and you could get a shock. Or even start a fire. Now you know, right? Never ever play with outlets or cords. Yes, I'll remember that.
I promise.
Stay smart, stay safe.
Super Rescue Team!
Ready! Roger! Forrest! Claudia! Pinkfong Super Rescue Team!
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Roger. Click the subscribe button. Complete.